Updating your legal name on Interactive Brokers is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Interactive Brokers account by entering your username and password on the official website. Step 2. Navigate to Account Management. Once logged in, locate the Account Management section. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard. Step 3. Select Personal Information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Esrock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your legal name. In the Personal Information section, look for the option to update your legal name. Enter your new name as it appears on your legal documents, ensuring accuracy. Step 5. Submit required documentation. After updating your name, you may need to submit supporting documents such as a marriage certificate or court order to verify the change. Follow the prompts to upload these documents. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name will be processed for update. Make sure to check back in your account to confirm that the changes have been applied.